Hey guys, what's up and welcome once again to my channel. It's Ali here, showing you guys my super quick and easy skincare routine. So jumping right in, I start off by wetting my face and going in with my OG Acne.org facial cleanser. I've been using this consistently for about 2 years now, and it's honestly my go-to cleanser. I can't really see myself not using it. It's the only thing that's helped keep my acne at bay, keep my skin feeling clean, and just makes it super easy to also remove any leftover dirt, oils, or makeup that is still left on my skin from the day before. So once I've gone ahead and cleansed my skin with that, I then just rinse off that facial cleanser, and it is recommended that you use your hands, and I just dry off the excess water with a fresh paper towel just to help remove any of that water, as well as not carry any bacteria onto my skin from a regular towel. And then I go in with some rose water. I find that rose water works a lot better for my skin. It helps to balance the natural pH on your skin as is. So I've definitely seen an improvement with using rose water on my skin as opposed to witch hazel or any other, store-bought facial toner. So that's what I use on a cotton round. And then I follow up with my Benzoyl Peroxide. This is also a game changer for me. I never used to use benzoyl peroxide in any of my skincare regimen when I was younger. So ever since I started using it, that definitely helps to also keep any acne at bay. And then to moisturize, I'm currently using the Derma Skin Restore Moisturizer. It's a very heavy cream, which I like because with the winter months now, I need something that's going to keep my skin really hydrated and really moisturized and supple. So this does a really great job at doing so. And I just slap that on all over my face every night, or sometimes I will alternate and use lemon essential oil with jojoba to treat any dark spots, but for right now this is it. And I just moisturize with my Mango Kiss lip balm to keep my lips in check. And that's pretty much all that I do. When it comes to my morning skincare routine, the only thing that changes is my moisturizer. So for that, I use the Coola Classic Moisturizer White Tea with a SPF of 50. And I had already done all those steps that I showed you guys previously. And then this is just my last step for the day before I apply any makeup. And it's definitely moisturizing, and I love the glow that it gives my skin, and it also makes my skin look and feel really, really supple. So I'm really enjoying this one, and I just like to pat that into my face once I'm done, and that's pretty much it. So I will leave all of the products down below in the description box for you guys. This is really, really simple and really easy, so I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!